Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Apple Watch case from iVAPO. I will go ahead and link it down in the description. The box doesn't really have too much branding on it, but that is what it's called right there. And that is the packaging that it comes in. It comes in both a 38mm and 42mm case. So here we have it. It is a rubber and a rubber case for your Apple Watch that does wrap around the whole watch itself, as well as a screen protector. So you do have a plastic screen protector over the front there, and they do include a second one, so you can replace it if the first one gets scratched up or damaged in any kind of way. The only issue I've had with it is the screen is sometimes hard to press with the thick plastic screen protector on there. It is pretty thick, so it does affect the touch functionality sometimes, not all the time. Most of the time it does tend to work pretty good, especially if you're swiping up from the top or the bottom. It tends to be okay, but if you're pressing in the middle, you do kind of have to give it a harder tap, which sometimes does trigger the 3D touch, or the Force Touch, I think it's called, on the Apple Watch. But other than that, it's really good. It doesn't affect the feel of the watch in any way. You have your cutouts for your microphone and your speaker and all that kind of stuff. You do have a pretty large cutout for your crown right here, but it is recessed pretty well in there. So you have to be, if you have big fingers, it may be hard to scroll with the crown, but you can still press it and everything like that. And then you have your button right here. You do have to take the band off to put it on, so you just have to slide your bands off. Snap your watch in, and then you can slide your bands back on, and you have little buttons here on the top and bottom to release your bands if you need to swap out your band or take the case off. So that is the Apple Watch case from iVAPO. It is pretty good, no issues with it, and it does seem to protect the watch pretty well with that screen protector and that thick rubber around it. I will link it down in the Amazon description below if you guys want to pick one up. This has been Colin with Techout, and as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.